I tried out this Veet Gold sunscreen and you guys won't even believe it. Okay, you will not. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're stopping by for the first time, Judith is the name. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking around. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please tap the subscribe button down below to get subscribed to my channel, and don't forget to like this video if you end up enjoying it. So in today's video, I'll be reviewing this Veet Gold sunscreen. So if you're interested in hearing my honest experience while using this particular sunscreen, you should basically keep on watching. So the name of the product I'll be reviewing for you guys today is called the Veet Gold Whitening Sunblock Cream SPF 90. It contains SPF 90 and it has UVA and UV protection. So it's a 2-in-1 anti-aging, anti-wrinkle product. So this is the product right here. So this is what the pack actually looks like. So when you take out the pack, you have a 150 ml plastic container with a flip cover that is blue in color. Okay, so if you open up the cover, you have this lightweight liquid creamy texture. So this is what the product actually looks like. It's a white creamy texture sunscreen. It has a really nice fragrance. It has this subtle mild fragrance. Okay, so it has a mild or subtle fragrance. It smells so nice. So taking a look at the product, this particular product is made in the USA. It contains aqua, mineral oil. I'll list all the ingredients out for you guys so that you'll be able to see this. So this particular Veet Gold sunblock contains titanium dioxide as its active ingredient. So that is the major ingredient that protects your skin from the sun. So this particular Veet Gold sunblock promises a whole lot of things like anti-aging, anti-wrinkle, waterproof, and is paraben free. So like I explained in my other video on best sunscreens, so when you're talking of UVA and UV protection, you're talking of anti-aging and burn. Okay, so this particular sunscreen promises to protect your skin from aging and sunburn. So that is the explanation of what is written on this particular pack. So I'll be judging this particular product according to my own personal experience. Okay, disclaimer, this particular video is not sponsored. Okay, so judging from my own personal experience while using this particular Veet Gold sunblock cream, I'll be telling you guys what I like and what I don't really like about this particular product. So for me, I actually like the packaging of this particular product. I like the fact it comes in a tube. I love how soft and nice the tube feels. Okay, so I really love the packaging of this particular product. Another thing I love about this product is the fragrance. Smells more like a baby powder. So this particular sunscreen is actually an affordable sunscreen. I got this particular one at the price of 1,500 plus at Roban stores, so it's very much affordable. So this particular sunscreen is actually waterproof and paraben free. I actually tested it. When I tried out the waterproof test, it was very effective. Like, see if it's actually waterproof. So it is waterproof. So for me, when I was using this particular product, I would say it has UVA and UV protection because I never experienced any form of sunburn while using this particular product. Like, I did not get any sunburn or any issue. I did not get any sun damage. I did not experience any form of sunburn or allergies on my skin while using this particular sunblock. Like, it's true to its UVA and UVB protection. Okay, so it actually protects your skin against UVA and UVB rays. So like I said before, this particular product contains titanium dioxide as its active ingredient. So it's a physical sunscreen. This particular sunscreen is not a chemical sunscreen, it's a physical sunscreen. So it does not penetrate into your skin. It sits on the outer layer of your skin. So I'll still be showing you guys how it applies on the skin and the rest is true to its anti-aging and anti-wrinkle promises. So when you apply this particular sunblock to your face, it gives you that matte finish. So it's a very nice product to use on your skin. So one downside that I actually encountered with this product is the fact that I think I'll let you guys be the judge. So I'll be applying this particular sunscreen to my face so that you guys will get to see how this particular product applies to the face and whether it is worth buying or not. Okay, so let's get into it. So to apply your sunscreen to your face, you need to observe the 2-finger rules. So we'll be using our 2 fingers to measure out the quantity of product to apply on the face. But in this particular video, so the 2-finger rule requires you like putting the sunscreen on your 2 fingers. Maybe I'll show you guys. You take out the product and place it on your 2 fingers. So that is the 2-finger rule. So some people, they tend to like use this, apply it directly on their face and their neck and all that. Okay, but for me, I always recommend you dot your sunscreen directly on your face instead of squeezing a giant amount into your fingers and applying it directly on your face. When you do the dotting method on your face, it actually helps your sunscreen to absorb quickly into your skin and apply evenly on your skin. So before you apply your sunscreen to your face, your sunscreen should be the last thing in your skincare routine. So if you don't know how to layer your skincare products, I actually have a video on that, so you should go check out my video on the perfect skincare routine. Okay, so I'll link it up here and in the description box for you to check it out and see the order to apply your skincare products. Okay, so let's lather this on our face. Take out this product. So this is what I mean when I say you have to dot. So for me, I like to dot, like dot, so that it will apply evenly into your skin. So I am massaging this, like it's a dot already, so I'm trying to massage this to my face. So can you guys see? Like it helps the product even out quickly instead of when you splatter it like very fast into your skin. So I'll be applying that to one part of my face. I don't want to apply it to the whole of my face. So can you guys see that? I don't know if the lightning effect here will let you guys see, but this is it. Like this particular product actually leaves a white cast on your skin, but it's not really that bad. Okay, so this is the side where I applied my sunscreen, and this side I did not apply anything. So can you guys see the difference? It actually leaves a white cast on the face, but I don't think the white cast is that bad. Okay, so this particular product, it gives that matte, it gives you that matte finish. So I think the company have the knowledge that this particular product gives a white cast, and that is why they ended up advising you to apply your makeup or powder after applying your sunscreen. So I think they are actually aware that it does leave white cast on the skin, but it's actually a good product. Aside the fact that it leaves a white cast, I like to wear this on days that I'm wearing makeup. Like it gives you that matte finish. If you're the type that wears makeup, or on days that you wear makeup, you can actually get away with this particular sunscreen. But on days that you don't use makeup and you just want your skin to be glowing and all that, this particular sunscreen is like a no for me. The white effect is not that bad anyways. Cover the white cast with your foundation, but if you can't handle it, please do not buy this particular product. So that is basically it. I think this is a good product actually, but if you cannot handle the white cast, please do not buy it. I have other sunscreens I've reviewed on my channel, but I was actually looking for affordable sunscreens to review for you guys, okay, because some people actually said they couldn't afford those ones I reviewed last. So yeah, that is it for this video. If this video was helpful, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.